Hi everyone, Rob here from BarBarrick Music, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at the Bagpipe Mute. As a teacher for many years, I've always had students that had a horrible time trying to practice if they live in an apartment or in a house with a lot of other people. We developed this mute to give those people a chance to get, obviously, extra practice time without disturbing anyone. We wanted to make sure that it was easy to use, just seconds to put it on and take it off. Make sure it drops the sound level by at least 20 dB and easily fits in most pipe cases. That way, if you're traveling, you can actually use this in a hotel room and not disturb any there. Obviously, no earplugs are going to be needed while you're using this. And we wanted to make sure that we have left-handed models as well available. For testing, we are going to use the American Recorder SBL 8800, pictured here. You can also read about the A-weighted mode that we placed it in for these tests. And now, first of all, we're going to record the pipes without a mute at all. Okay, so this is the mute itself. It's basically a neoprene bag with a soft acoustic foam on the inside. You might be able to see that in there. It has a drawstring on the top here to close around the chanter stock, and a little spring clip, and then a couple of slots for your hands to actually go inside. And so we're going to record the difference now when we put the mute on and compare the two SPL levels. Each mute also comes with 3 rubber stoppers to shut your drones off. I've got the other two in already. Some people will actually use the mute with one tenor drone on. For this experiment, we're just going to shut them all off to show you the total sound reduction. So now you're ready to use the mute. One easy way to start with is to to balance it on a little table or the arm of a couch or a chair or something, so you don't have to hold it all the time. Grab your chanter, put it down inside until around the middle of the chanter stock. The little spring clip here, and pinch that, pull the cord so it cinches up around the chanter stock. Then you find the top hand for your left hand, pull it in. Draw it up. Here's the other slot here, and you're ready to go. Well, that's about it. Thanks for taking a look at the mute with me. I have the website in the description below for ordering information. And until next time, happy piping.